Namaste. Welcome to Pani.work. My name is Vishwanath Reddy. Today we will learn how to send bulk messages on WhatsApp through WhatsApp API. First, log into your dashboard, WhatsApp dashboard. Then go to instances, and here it is showing it is not connected. So make sure it is connected. If required, you can just reboot it. It's like refresh your instance. Then click on QR code. Open your WhatsApp web in mobile phone with which number you want to associate this WhatsApp API. So once it is scanned, it will show as paid here and it will show as connection in your WhatsApp web also. So this is done here. Refresh the page. You can see the refresh paid status here also. Okay. So now it is connected. Your number is connected to WhatsApp API. Now click on the bulk list sender here. Okay. Here click on add bulk list. Give any name you want. Create, then go to here, click on add bulk. It's like here you want to send messages to numbers, so you will upload the list. The list will be uh, template, how you want to send, what is the format, those and all you can download from here. Click on here, you will download it. Then once you download it, you can go and modify the list according to your requirements. I will show you that also now. Here it will be like this: number, message, message type. Actually this is in CSV file format, so comma separated values. First will be your mobile number, like to whom you want to send WhatsApp message and what is the message you want to send. Here I am sending a text message, and if you want to send a image, you should upload that in the server and then give as file. And here dynamic file is for another purpose, like if you want to send dynamic images to your customer. So as of now we will try image and text. Here there is one service, you can upload images for free. That is called imgbb.com. This is free image hosting. Here if you upload image without sign up, you can just upload from your this one local desktop, otherwise anything you can just upload it. So by default it is selected this, don't have to delete. And then here click on HTML full link, copy this code, extract the URL, exact URL like src, this one. So I want to send this particular image to number, so I will copy this here like this and file, save this. I'm just going to rename like this. Okay, now I go here. Here I upload that CSV we made, and here I have given the number of messages. Means whenever this cron job will call this particular URL, it will send two messages. Means if you have 10 messages, 100 messages and all, so whenever that is being called, it will send two messages. Whatever you mention here, it will send that many number of messages. So here I'm just sending two messages, So I will click on save. Upload is successful. You will get that. And then here I have to select the instance for which I am using this bulk message. So I will copy this. I am sending through demo instance. So I am selecting, I'm copying this cron link. Then go to cronjob.org. This is a free service to schedule your server activities. Means you can use it for anything. Here actually they have some latest dashboard with the same logins you can use. So I have already account here. So I'm just uh, logged in. Here go on, click on create cron job, give any title you want, and whatever you have copied from that instance, paste it here. However it is. So check it again. So it should be same as given here. Okay, enable cron job, and this is the schedule, like how you want to uh, call this particular job for every minute, for every 2 minutes, every 5 minutes, something like that. I suggest using 10 minutes or 15 minutes, because if you call it for every 1 minute, it's like your server will be become very busy. And if you select this 60 minutes like that, then you need to send a lot of messages in 60 minutes. So it's like there is a chance, high chance, if you send a lot of messages on WhatsApp, then your number may get blocked. Like if you are sending 200 messages within an hour, there is a chance because you never sent before. But if you are continuously sending, like 20 messages in hour, then 50 messages in hour, then 100 messages in an hour, then you can increase like this. So it's like you are testing your threshold. Otherwise, WhatsApp algorithm will recognize that this is bot, otherwise some other API, it's not manual messages, then it will block your number, ban your number. So in that case actually you don't even get your incoming messages also. You cannot use that in even phone also. So that's why be careful with the scheduling. Here I'm giving only, I have two messages, and so this is for testing purpose. I'm just going to give 1 minute, so every minute it will execute, and it will send two messages as mentioned here in the job. So click on this. So whenever it fails, you will get message. Click on create. So the cron job is created. It will execute. Now it is 9:36 a.m. So it will execute at 9:37 a.m. Wait for a minute. You will see, you can see the messages here also. Once it is sent, you can check the here also, check it here also, like cron jobs. So if it is executed, please refresh the page. If it is executed, it will show like this. So message, and this, and message type whatever we have given in that, and status, whether it is sent or not, like this. So this is how you send bulk messages. and we have received message also on my phone from my same number. Yeah, this is how it works. So like this and share this if it is helpful, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.